We brought our services closer to our 40,000 members and pensioners. Closer dahil mas malapit po tayo sa bus terminal, sa DepEd building, sa Burnham Park, at sa isang shopping mall. So closer to our members. So gaya din po ng ibang GSIS branch nationwide, we are proud to showcase our GSIS 360-degree digital business sector. Kasabay ng official opening ng GSIS Baguio Branch ay ang pagpapatuloy na tungkulin ang dedikasyon naming maghatid ng ginhawa para sa lahat ng ating stakeholders. This building is more than bricks, cement, and mortar.
Celebrate today, not just the concrete and steel of this new GSIS office, but the spirit behind it. A spirit of togetherness, of mission, and of care. Having our own office in Baguio is more than just a logistical convenience. It is a declaration of commitment. Commitment to our members, teachers, government workers, retirees who have dedicated their lives to public service. Commitment to our employees, our frontliners who deserve a workplace that reflects the dignity of the work they do. Commitment to this region whose growth and development GSIS proudly supports.